Yo, what up YouTube? Today we making black elephant toothpaste. Stay tuned for more. So what you guys need is some hydrogen peroxide. This is literally like 50 cents, I'm not joking. Some black food coloring, if you want to make it black, of course. Alright, first step, you guys want to add some dish soap. That much is fine. See the bottom of it? Okay, next we want to add some food coloring.
How many dots?
About 3. You know, like this much should be
Yeah,
enough.
it's only 3, yeah, you know.
That's only like 3 drops.
Yeah, for sure, only 3 drops.
Next up is the instant yeast. Yeah, no. Alright, so we add these in.
Alright, yeah.
And let's put them in real quick.
Just put all of it, right?
Yeah, just put the whole packet.
Alright.
It requires 1 packet.
Where can you get all this stuff?
Just go to Walmart straight up.
All
if you
right.
don't have a Walmart, like go to your nearest grocery store. They should have all these, no joke.
Yeah, for sure.
They're just like, you know, you want to like do it like that.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, just want to close it up real quick. Shake it up.
Yeah.
Then
Okay.
add hydrogen peroxide. Just add it in there.
A lot?
Add a whole bunch. And then get away from it, because it can get real messy.
Yo.
Look at that.
Damn.
Look how it's black.
Yeah. Look at that color.
Ah, you don't want to touch it. It's very, very hot. It's very, very hot. Alright.
Let go.
Look at this, guy. You can't even see the water bottle anymore. You can't see this. Look at the side of it. It's literally all. Look at this. Ah, still hot, still hot.
Damn. Can you see something move?
Oh shit. Bro, you got on your shoes.
Not good.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and if you like that, comment below what I should do next, and please like the video because it shows me that you guys love my videos, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.